Hi all, I am Libby Ye and welcome back for a new and tasty UX snack. So today I'm going to talk to you about calls to action. The more and more I really think about the merging of web and mobile with retail in-store experiences, I really look to find these elements that I think are going to help bridge the two. One of those elements are call to actions, whether it's in the form of a button on a website or text on in-store marketing. I think this small but very powerful elements can do a lot to create a full holistic experience. But I definitely think there needs to be some symmetry and alignment between the two. So the most obvious call to action or CTA would be sales signage. Having large red signage or a banner splashed across your website screaming sale will definitely help you drive traffic and conversion. But have you ever been at a store looking for a specific item that you know is on sale that you saw online, and you tell the salesperson, I saw it online, I know it's on sale, and yet you still can't find it? It's super frustrating. This is where a cohesive CTA online and at retail would be very helpful, no? But more than that, it shows that a brand has a consistent story. At retail, calls to action are generally about the well-being or the next step for the customer. I'm going to give you a negative example to show you a little bit more about what I mean. At Western Union, our retail messaging really built upon itself. We had primary, secondary, and tertiary messages all along the path of purchase. The CTA for signing up for the loyalty program was a tertiary message, and it was placed where the customer was finalizing a transaction. It was the next step that helped yield customer retention. But on the Western Union app, the CTA for the loyalty program was nowhere to be found. It's not a similar tertiary message, it's not in the menu, it's not even when the customer is finishing their transaction. I think this is an excellent use case of what not to do. If something is important enough to feature in one channel, I think it definitely should be featured on another where the customer is going through the same motions and actions, something like sending money. It creates a consistent experience and reduces any friction that the customer might actually experience or perceive. So the next time you're on an app that also has a retail location, I really encourage you to think about the CTAs and see how that impacts your personal experience. You can then apply it to your work that you're doing in growing successful brands. So if you like this video, feel free to give it a like or subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay tuned for more UX snacks, and thank you for watching.